guys, welcome to All the Rage page. It's Kylie updating you with what's all the rage. And today I'm going to do a DIY tutorial on Fishbowl Slime. But before I get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The supplies you'll need for this project are a container, 2 bowls, a spoon, food coloring, silver glitter, clear glue, fishbowl beads, a teaspoon of borax, and a cup of water. Okay, let's get started. First off, start by making your activator. For this slime, I'm using 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of water. Pour the borax into the water. Stir the borax until it is fully dissolved. Once it is dissolved, set it aside until you are ready to activate your slime. Next, you are going to take the clear glue and pour it into a bowl. You can use as much as you would like, but I'm going to use 2 cups. Then start by dropping a couple of drops of food coloring, whichever color you choose, into your glue. My fishbowl slime is going to be blue because I'm making a Blue Lagoon fishbowl slime, which will be available to purchase in my Etsy store, Kylie's Slimeorama. Stir until you have a solid color. Looks like 2 drops did it for me. I love this color. It reminds me of a beach, and it makes me feel like running into water to go swimming. To add a little extra sparkle to your slime, add some silver glitter. Stir it in until it is evenly dispersed. Now grab your activator because it's time to activate your slime. Pour in 3 or 4 teaspoons of activator at a time. Make sure to stir well so you don't over-activate your slime. Keep adding activator until your slime starts getting thicker. Now I'm going to knead with my hands because it is starting to get thick. Keep adding activator until all the slime sticks together and can be pulled out of the bowl. Still too sticky, I'm going to add more activator. Stop adding activator at this point. If it is stringy, just keep kneading. It'll eventually fix itself. Keep kneading for another 2 to 5 minutes to get an even smoother texture. The color of the slime will turn to an opaque color because of the air bubbles. Don't worry though, put your slime away for a few days and the color will become clear again. Now that you are finished kneading your slime and it looks like this smooth texture, you can add your fishbowl beads. Add as many as you would like. I'm going to add over half the bag. I love a lot of beads in my slime because I love the massaging feel on my hands when I play with it. Keep kneading the beads until they are evenly dispersed. Not enough beads for me. I'm going to add a little bit more. Once the beads are evenly mixed into your slime, your fishbowl slime is complete. One last thing. You know when your slime is just right when it stretches like this? And crunches like this. If you like the slime that I've just made, you can find it on my Etsy store, Kylie's Slime-O-Rama. It comes in 4-ounce containers. Search for Blue Lagoon Fishbowl Slime. Let me know if you have any questions or problems with your slime so I can help you fix it. Also, comment below of any slime videos you want me to do. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell for my upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye!